Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hi everyone! Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Pocoyo playing soccer. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, I'm going to draw Pocoyo's face. Let's start with his eyes, then draw his nose and his big smiling mouth. Now I'll draw his hat just like this. Next, let's draw his body. Draw both of his arms. Then draw his two legs ... and don't forget his hands too. Now let's draw a soccer ball right by his feet. And here comes the goal. I'll draw it right behind him. A black marker now to make the lines bold and easy to see. Time to color Ye. First, I'll use sky blue for his hat. Let's color his clothes sky blue, too. Now I'll use red ... and a bit of yellow ... I'll use cream for Pocoyo's skin. And finally, I'll color the goal light gray. Awesome job! Everyone, if you had fun, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.